Hello friends, today we'll discuss how to make attachment mandatory in any form in ServiceNow. So for implementing this, we'll take one use case today, and use case is make attachment mandatory during creation of an incident. So while creating an incident, we need to ensure that attachment is attached. Okay, so let's go to the instance and try to implement it. So for implementing this functionality, we'll write before insert business rule. So let's go to the business rule. And here click on new. Yeah, here, and now put the name, that is attachment check, and select the table, that is incident. Now check on advanced option. Here we'll check the insert because we need to run on before insert. Yes. Now click on advanced. If any condition is there, you can put in, but in our case no condition is there, so we are directly going to the advanced section and we'll write the logic. And here we'll put the condition not current dot has attachments functions. Like if current record doesn't have any attachment, so what will happen? It will throw one error message, that is attachment not found, and we need to abort the action. So write current dot set abort action will pass the value true. Abort the action means we need to cancel the ticket creation, right? So just save it. Let's open one more tab, and there we'll try to create the incident without attaching any attachment, and we'll see whether we are able to create an incident or not. So let's go to the incident dot do. By typing the incident dot do, you can directly open the incident form, and here select the caller, that is tutor. Type the description, that is test for attachment mandate, and this time we are not attaching any file in this incident, and let's see we are able to create it or not. So we'll try to save it, and you will see that it's throwing the error attachment not found. So what we'll do this time, let's refresh this page once again, and this time we'll try to attach one file into this incident, and then after that we'll see whether we are able to create it or not. So let's again select the able tutor, type the short description like test for attachment mandate, and attach one file. Let me attach this file only. And save it. Yeah, you will see now we are able to create incident after attaching one file into the incident, right? Yeah. So this is the logic. What we have done, we have put the condition. We are checking the current record having the attachment or not. If doesn't have attachment, then we'll throw one error message, that is attachment not found, or will cancel the transaction from the database, that is current dot set abort action, and we'll passing the value that is true. There might be possibility that this code will not work in scoped application. So for that, what we'll do, we have another way to implement this same logic. So in that case, what we'll do, we'll glide the sys attachment table, and from there we'll check like the current record have any attachment or not. So how we'll do that? Let's see. So for that, what we'll do, let's firstly deactivate this business rule, and we'll create new business rule. So that will be in better way, make you understand. Yeah, and here we'll put the name, that is attachment check 1. Select the table, that is incident. Check on advanced section, check on insert when before, that is correct. Now we'll come to the advanced section. So this time we are not putting any condition. So what we'll do this time, we are just simply glide the sys attachment table. So let's glide the sys attachment table, sys underscore attachment, and what we pass in the query, that is table underscore sys underscore id, and instead of value we'll pass the current dot sys underscore id, and here instead of gr dot next we will pass the function that is has next. If we don't want to return the record, we just check whether record is exist or not. So for that we'll use the has next function. And now here we'll pass the message. So we'll check like if we get the false value, right? So we'll put the not here, that will be better. Yeah, so now we'll pass the error message, otherwise we need to put that condition in else part. gs dot add error message, right? Please add at least one attachment for incident creation. Yes, and here also write current dot set about action true. Yes, I will try to save it, and now we'll see that whether this will work or not. Previous one logic that will work fine in a global application, global scope, but some possibility is there, some rare chances are there that code will not work in a scoped applications. So that's why I'm showing you this second logic. By using that logic, you can write this code in you can make the attachment mandatory in scoped application as well. So let's go to the incident. Incident.do, and firstly we'll try to create the incident without attaching any file, and this time we'll take the user, that is Abraham Lincoln, put the short description, that is testing, and this time we have not attached any attachment here, and let's see whether we are able to create it or not. So we'll save it, and you will see we are getting the error message like please add at least one attachment for incident creation. Yeah, so our business rule is working fine, right? So what we'll do, we'll attach one file, and after that we'll see whether we are able to create incident or not. Yes, now just save it. Yeah, that's it. You see that we are able to create the incident after attaching one file in the incident. So like that we can make the attachment mandatory. So once again I'll show you what is the logic. Logic is very simple. Like we have glide the sys attachment table, and there we'll know that like there one field is there, that table sys id. Table sys id we are matching with our current record sys id. If both are matched, then if that record is not found, here this line you will see, if particular record is not found, means it will return the false value. In that case, we need to print this error message like please add at least one attachment for incident creation, and we'll cancel the transaction from database. So that is the logic. I hope you got it. Thank you.